A 14-year-old and his father are both facing charges from a school shooting that happened in Georgia earlier this week. I'm John Brown in Omaha, and I talked with a legal expert here on Nebraska's laws and what it means for parents facing consequences for their children's crimes. 14-year-old Colt Gray and his father Colin Gray both appeared in court for the first time Friday for the school shooting that killed 4 people in Georgia.
I mean, we've all said it, something's got to change.
Prosecutors charged 54-year-old Colin Gray in connection after giving his son a military-style assault rifle for Christmas. When it comes to Nebraska law, criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor Cody Miltenberger says the state does have laws to prosecute parents for their children's crimes.
We have in Nebraska a theory of prosecution that's called aiding and abetting, which isn't necessarily that you conducted the act yourself, but if you provided a method for someone to do something, provided them a gun or things of that nature, you could be prosecuted for the same crimes based on that type of theory.
Melody Vaquero of Nebraskans Against Gun Violence says people need to be held responsible for the guns they bring into communities.
Children don't get guns on their own. The only way that minors get guns is when adults leave them around for minors.
Miltenberger says in Nebraska and nationally, prosecuting parents for their children's crimes are based on a case-by-case basis, what the evidence dictates, and how prosecutors choose to present their case.
I think it's going to be a wake-up call for some people, and I think you're going to see prosecutors' offices across the country starting to do things like they're doing in Georgia.
He says holding parents accountable is a start in the right direction to achieve change. Nebraskans Against Gun Violence tells me there needs to be a culture change in the community, emphasizing on schools to tell parents that guns need to be locked in a safe and away from their kids. In downtown, I'm John Brown.